Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500 Abarth. If you have one of those, you need to remove the air filter box assembly, the whole assembly we're talking about. Okay, not just the air filter. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. It's not actually very complicated, but you need to know a few tricks, otherwise you can damage things, you can break things, you can drop things in the hoses, or you can break vacuum lines. So make sure to stay until the end, we'll explain how to do that. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Fiat 500, you want to save quite a bit of money on parts and tools, that's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Check out the link in the description of the video below. Let's start on it now. With that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. 2015 Fiat Abarth. The air filter, guys, is actually located in the air filter box. So the air filter box, the whole assembly needs to come out in order to replace the air filter. It's not it's not actually too complicated. When you know what you're doing, we'll need to disconnect that hose right here with a screwdriver. We need to remove that hose from here. Just be careful not to break anything. Just get the clip loose. This hose now, we need to pop it loose on. Push in first, push in to release the pressure. Now it almost got it out. Okay, let's try again. It has four teeth here that are holding. Let's see now, or it will come out of here easier. One of the two sides will come out easier. I believe on this side. Let's do that one. This one on the bottom will be actually easier because it has only two connectors, I think. Here two things. Here it has four clips. So let's try from the bottom, see if it's going to come out. No, not like that. You need to go ahead. Okay, almost got it out. Now we have one more on the other side. Let's see if the other one will come loose right here, if we can get to it. Okay, on this one it doesn't come out too. So let me tell you now, that hose, you can damage it if you cannot get it out. We pushed it in, we're just going to go ahead and remove that bolt here. It should pull that air duct. Let's see if it's going to come out. We just try to make the video, guys, to explain to where it's not so hard for people to do, because sometimes it could be really hard for some people to do, and we want to see if that's enough room to come out, and I don't think it will be. So later we're going to leave it like that. We're going to start removing now the hose. We have a hose right here. You can see that hose is with a flathead screwdriver or little 8mm socket. It's very important not to drop anything in these hoses. If you do, it will go in the turbo, through the end, in the engine, pistons. You can bend valves, break the engine, and you might need the engine rebuilt. So let me see if it comes loose on this side. It looks like it does. Perfect, it will come out. Now here we have rubber bushing that it's stuck, so grab it and pull straight up. Pull on this side too. Perfect. Let's see how the back side is now. And see where we have things attached there as well. So here I need to disconnect the hose. It came out. Let's see if that piece of trim will come out or it will not. It did. And we still have something holding here, guys. One hose. that we need to disconnect, and here on the back side, okay, just needs to come out in an angle. It's a very tight fit, by the way. Here. So now the air filter box, guys, okay, in order to remove the whole assembly, okay, you will have, now you can see right here, this is a special design of a clip, okay, that you will have in place. So let me explain exactly how that thing works now. So I'll do the first one, this one on the back side that's sticking out. Push the two pieces together, push in all the way, and then you disconnect it. This one, you can see that piece that's sticking out here. You push the two pieces in towards each other, push that thing in, it comes out. Very important not to break them. Now on the back side, we have a sensor right here that we need to disconnect. Go ahead, do that one. And the air filter box assembly come out of here. You can see where it attaches to the car. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 bushings. They attach to these posts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how you guys remove the air filter box assembly, the whole assembly. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you need help with anything else on Fiat 500 or Fiat 500 Abarth, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.